Good morning, everyone. Her English is so bad.
The office is quiet, but her heart is loud.
This is Emily. She works at a big company. She moved to this city 6 months ago.
She wants a better life.
She works very hard. She arrives early every morning.
She leaves late every night.
But Emily has one big problem.
Her English is not perfect. She makes small mistakes.
Sometimes people do not understand her. And sometimes they laugh.
Emily has one good friend at work. His name is Ethan.
Ethan always sits near Emily. He is kind.
He is patient.
He never laughs at Emily.
Don't listen to them. You are doing great.
Thank you, Ethan.
Good morning, everyone. I have big news. Our company has a new project. It is very important. We need someone to lead it. This person will give a presentation next month in front of our biggest client.
This is a big opportunity.
This is my chance. I can do this.
Sob.
Excuse me, Mr. David. I want to try for this project. Her?
Thank you, Emily. But this presentation needs very strong English. We need someone more confident.
Sarah, you will lead this project.
Of course. Thank you, David.
Emily, are you okay?
I don't know, Ethan.
Emily, silence.
Maybe they are right. Maybe my English is too bad. Maybe I will never be good enough. Emily, I am so proud of you. You are brave. You are strong. Do not forget that. Exhale. No, I will not give up. I will study. I will practice every single day.
Emily changed her life. Every morning, she woke up at 5 o'clock. She listened to English podcasts.
She read English books. She practiced speaking in front of her mirror.
Every evening, Ethan helped her.
They practiced conversations together.
He corrected her mistakes kindly.
She practiced again and again.
Week 1. She made many mistakes, but she kept going.
Week 4. She felt a little better.
Week 8. People started to understand her more clearly.
Week 12. Something was different.
Good morning. How are you today? I'm good, thanks. You seem different, Emily. I am.
Everyone, I have an announcement. Sarah's presentation was not successful. The client is not happy. We need a new presentation in 2 weeks. Who wants to try?
Emily?
Are you sure, Emily?
Yes, Mr. David. I am sure. Please give me this chance.
2 weeks later, everything was ready. And this time, Emily was ready.
Good afternoon. My name is Emily. Today, I will present our new plan for your company. This plan will save you time, it will save you money, and it will make your customers very happy. Let me show you how.
30 minutes later.
This is exactly what we needed. Excellent work, Emily. Excellent.
Silence, emotional impact. The next morning.
Emily, please sit down. I owe you an apology. I did not believe in you before. That was my mistake. You worked hard, you improved, and you delivered. Emily, you are our new project.
Thank you, Mr. David. Emily, I'm sorry. I was not kind to you. You deserved a chance from the beginning. Thank you, Sarah. We all make mistakes. What matters is what we do next. Let's work well together.
She expected anger, but Emily gave her kindness.
I always knew you could do it.
I almost gave up, Ethan.
But you didn't.
I didn't.
Sometimes, the only thing you need is to not give up.
Your English is not perfect. That is okay.
Every mistake is a lesson. Every day is a new chance.
Never give up.
Thank you for watching. Goodbye.